In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mounts for the secondary air pump in this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. The secondary air pump is located in the front of the engine bay right next to the battery. The mounts are located right here on the front part of the air pump. We're going to take these nuts off. There is 3 of them. We're going to use a 10mm socket. Take these nuts off. You can take the mount out. This one is separated. So we'll just pop that out. That's a part of it. Here's the other piece. That just slides out like that. Before we put that in, we can take the other ones out as well. I'm going to do the same with this one. Same 10mm socket. And take that out. And the last one is located on the inside here. It's a little bit tricky to reach. Take that nut out, reach down, try to grab the mount. It's broken off. And take the other mounts off the same way this top one came off. Now with the new mount, you can see where there's a slot and there's a tab. You want to slide the tab into the slot of the mount. It's just going to push in like that and do the same with the other ones. Just reach down, push them in. This back one, you're going to just have to feel for it. Those all in. We can just slide the studs through the bracket, just like that. Put the nuts on.
Then you can tighten down the 3 bolts snug, and then you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.